How to deal with police contact in your car.
Police are allowed to detain someone in their car if they have reasonable suspicion that a crime has been committed or is being committed. If you're contacted by police while driving, pull over as soon as you safely can and make sure that you have your documents ready for when the police officer comes to your window. That means your driver's license, your insurance information, and the registration information for the car. Police are going to be allowed to keep you pulled over until the purpose of their investigatory stop is done. So if they have pulled you over for a traffic offense, like speeding, they're going to need to confirm your name and your other information before writing a ticket. When the officer is at your window, they should tell you the reason that you were contacted. And if they don't, then you can ask them why you were pulled over. If they ask you to get out of the car, ask if you're being detained or arrested. Ultimately though, if you're given a lawful order, you must comply with that, even if you disagree with it at the time. Police are allowed in certain situations to search your car without getting a warrant first. The most common circumstance would be if they're searching to create an inventory of the items in the car before they impound it, if they have reason to believe that there's evidence relating to a crime that you are actively being arrested for, or if they have an articulable concern for officer safety. There are other situations where your car may be searched, but generally, the officers either need a warrant or your consent. If they ask if they can search your car, no is an acceptable answer. Most traffic stops allow the officer to ask you questions without triggering the need to give a Miranda advisement. So it's important to keep in mind that everything you're saying to the officer can and will be used against you. There's a pop cultural myth that you can talk your way out of a ticket if you know the right things to say. Those things to say don't exist. Sometimes you might get lucky and not get ticketed. Sometimes you'll get ticketed. It doesn't say anything about you either way.
Although we are here to help you and provide information, nothing in this communication is legal advice for you.